Check this out. It is currently minus 11 degrees out there, feeling like minus 21. But when I look at this footage, I don't just see cold weather, I see a masterclass in human grit. First, look at the person pushing that red stroller. That right there represents unwavering dedication. There are no snow days for them. Whether it's a doctor's appointment, or just getting from A to B, they are putting the needs above their own comfort. That is the definition of selfless strength. Then, look at the person carrying those heavy blue bags. That represents determination. It would be so easy to stay inside, but they are out there literally carrying the heavy load probably to keep their household running. It proves that motivation isn't about waiting for perfect conditions, it's about executing your mission despite the conditions. The cold is temporary, but that resilience? That's permanent. And honestly, this scene is the perfect reality check for the whole EV versus gas car debate. You know how EV owners love to flex? They always say, "I wake up with a full tank. I never have to stand freezing at a gas pump for 5 minutes like you gas car owners." Well, these pedestrians are the ultimate neutralizers in that argument. While EV drivers brag about avoiding 5 minutes of cold, and gas drivers complain about enduring it, these two are walking in it for the long haul. Seeing them puts the hardship of pumping gas into perspective. It reminds all of us, whether your engine runs on electrons or octane, that if you are sitting in a climate-controlled box with heated seats, you are incredibly privileged. You should thank God for your privileges by not humiliating those who don't have that. So, you think avoiding a 5-minute fill-up is a flex? Look at these warriors. Real horsepower isn't under the hood, it's right there on the sidewalk. Stay safe. Stay warm. And keep moving forward, intentionally. I'm NB, catching you in the next one.